Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today we're going to take a Thanksgiving leftover, that is honey apple roasted pork, and turn it into a corner takeout, pork lo mein. Let's get to it. Let's get to the ingredients. I have in this bowl sliced onions, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and yellow bell peppers. I have here chopped scallions. In this cup here, I have diced garlic and minced ginger. Brown sugar. I have in this cup Chinese 5-spice, garlic powder, and onion powder. I have here chicken broth, Chinese wine, low sodium soy sauce, crushed red pepper flakes, sesame oil, carrots, shiitake mushrooms, bok choy. I already washed them and cut them up. This is the lo mein that I will be using. You can buy this from any Asian supermarket, or if you have a Chinatown in your city that you live. And of course, the pork. Now let's get to making the roasted pork lo mein. Now, I have a pot here of boiling water. We're going to take the lo mein out of the bag and we shake it apart like this. We're going to boil this for 3 minutes. Make sure the water is hot. And we're going to drop it in. And we're going to cook it for 3 minutes. You turn the wok on to medium high. And we're going to add about a tablespoon of oil into the pan. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Now let's have the first ingredients jump into the wok. Minced garlic and ginger. We saute this up. For about 30 seconds. Okay. Now it's time for the rest of the vegetable to jump into the wok. You saute these up for a minute. Now we're going to let the vegetables saute up for about 2 minutes. Now I think the vegetables have cooked enough. And now we're going to add the seasoning feed. The 5-spice the onion powder and the garlic powder, the brown sugar, the oyster sauce, the soy sauce, the Chinese wine, the sesame oil. You only put a little bit because you don't want too much flavor of overpowering your dish with the flavor of the sesame oil. And now we're going to throw in a pinch of red pepper flakes. You can put more if you want it more hotter. Now we're going to stir all this up. Now it's time to add the bok choy. Now we're going to add the roast pork. Gonna stir this up. They're just gonna let the roast pork heat up for about 3 minutes because it's already cooked. Now we're going to have the lo mein jump into the wok. The chicken broth, we're gonna let this saute up for about 5 minutes on high heat. And the last thing that's going to jump into the wok is the scallions. Because while this heats up through, we're only going to cook it 5 minutes. Well, you see, it's all mixed up together. Here you have it, roast pork lo mein. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.